Okay, today we're going to be talking about hash versus rosin. Let's dive in. So a lot of people use the word hash and rosin like they're the same thing. They're not. What is hash? Hash is simply concentrated trichomes from the cannabis plant. Trichomes are tiny resin glands that contain cannabinoids and terpenes. Think of hash as collecting all the good stuff from the flower. What are the different types of hash? I'll tell you. Dry sift, bubble hash, aka ice water hash. I'll tell you why soon. And then traditional pressed hash. How is hash made? Oh no. 1. Dry sift. Flower is sifted through a fine screen and the trichomes fall out, and then are collected. Thank you. It's a simple mechanical process. Now we move on to bubble hash. This is where the flour is mixed in ice water. Then the cold temperatures make the trichomes brittle. Then they're filtered through mesh bags and the hash is then dried. What is rosin? We love talking about rosin here. You can watch tons of videos of me talking about rosin and Joel going absolutely dummy with his knowledge on it. Rosin isn't collected from the flower. No, I did it wrong again. Oh my fucking God. Isn't collected. Nope. Rosin isn't collected directly from the flower. It's made by taking the flour or hash and then applying heat and pressure. The oil is then squeezed out, creating a sticky concentrate with no chemical solvents. Let me give you a simple comparison. Hash equals collected trichomes. Rosin equals oil pressed out of the trichomes or flour. You get it? What products use hash? Hash itself can be found as 1. Traditional hash. 2. Bubble hash. 3. Dry sift. 4. Hash infused flour. What products use rosin? Rosin is commonly found in dabs, hot kits, 510 cartridges, disposable vapes, 5 gummies and edibles. Lastly, 5, wait, that's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 gummies and pre-rolls. 6 infused pre-rolls. Okay, that's all. I got a new haircut and I don't like my bangs, so be nice in the comment. Tell me how pretty I am.